Breaking Gulf News. Abu Dhabi, the trial of a group of 41 suspects, including 39 Emiratis, a citizen of Comoros Islands and a Syrian, charged with plotting to overthrow the government and establish a Daesh-style caliphate state, was adjourned yesterday Monday to October 26 for defense lawyers to present their case. 38 defendants were present at the hearing at the State Security Division of the Federal Supreme Court, while 3 others are being tried in absentia. Presided over by the Chief Justice, Falah Al Hajeri, the court heard the indictment read out by counsellor Rashid Ahmad Al Danhani, attorney of the State Security Prosecution. The court advised the defendants of entitlement to a lawyer's assistance at all subsequent court proceedings, and that the court will appoint a lawyer at public expense if a defendant wants and if he is financially unable to retain a lawyer. Al Danhani said the accused are charged with setting up and running a terrorist organization named Shabab al-Manara, the Minarets Youths, which upholds terrorist ideology with the intent to commit terrorist acts in UAE territories and endanger its security and peace and lives of its people, including its leaders. The suspects were also charged with intending to inflict damage on private and public properties to eventually seize power to set up a so-called caliphate state in line with their extremist ideology. To carry out their terrorist acts, the suspects procured firearms, ammunition, and explosives using funds they raised for this purpose and communicated with foreign militants. These militants provided these suspects with funds and people to achieve their goals inside the country, Al Danhani said. The attorney of the State Security Prosecution said the suspects set up an organizational structure including committees and cells with specific tasks. A leader was appointed to oversee the terrorist organization, issue orders, instructions, roles, and duties for each committee. He was also assigned to set policies. His deputy was assigned to follow up implementation of these policies, Al Danhani said. These committees were assigned to recruit young Emiratis and instill extremist thought in them and train them in militant acts and manufacturing of explosives at certain camping sites. The suspects, the attorney said, also disseminated audio and video materials through the internet to spread their terrorist ideology. According to UAE's anti-terrorism law, terrorist activities include inciting fear among a group of people, killing them, or causing them serious physical injury, or inflicting substantial damage to property or the environment, or disrupting security of the international community, or opposing the country, or influencing the public authorities of the country or another country or international organization while discharging its duties, or receiving a privilege from the country or another country, or an international organization. In another hearing, the court heard the defense of another Emirati defendant, charged with insulting leaders of a Gulf country through the internet and marring relations between the country and the UAE. The defendant admitted the charges of trading insults with citizens of the Gulf country, but denied any relations with any extremist groups.